First of all, I want to introduce you to the Caribbean fusion sauce and spice. These are the tea which I normally use most of the ingredients in my cooking, in my detoxing and all this stuff. As you can see, here it is. You can see it for yourself. The link is in the description box if you want to purchase their own product. All right. This is the lemon flight. Very, very good. And I'm going to use the lemon flight. Before we go into anything, let's make one of the lemon flight. All right. So I'm just going to use a large spoon and make a lemon flight drink this morning. All right. So basically what I normally do, I just put a large tablespoon. The lemon flight have a lot of ingredients inside of it. All right. Gluten free and no salt, no fat, no butter, no sugar. It is just good for you to have in the morning. All right. So what we're going to do is pop one large, just fill it up with some hot water, as you guys can see exactly what's going on. So now I'm going to just do that. I make that sit for the day and I will drink that during the day. All right. This is what I normally do with this one right here. So I just make this go make by itself and I will drink this right straight through the day. All right. So basically, guys, if you want to get this, the link is in the description box. All right. Click on the link and get your product. All right. The link is in the description box for this one. All right. Beautiful one. So what I normally do, you got sorrel in it, and sorrel is very good for weight loss, honestly. All right. So as you can see, that's the sorrel, the dry sorrel. All right. And you have lemongrass and all them stuff. So there's a lot of stuff inside of it. Beautiful one. So I normally make this one and put it aside for it to go and simmer, and I will drink it during the day. All right. Part 2. This is another drink which you can also drink during the day. I'm going to give you a way of what you can also do. All right. Now, get yourself some orange. I did a video like this back then. You know what I mean? But it's just a update version of this video. You get yourself some lemon or orange, slice them up, put them straight inside of this. All right. Beautiful one. All right. This is what I want to say to you guys. This is very important for you to make at home. All right. Then squeeze that an amazing orange juice inside of it like this. All right. This is a vitamin C. A vitamin D, you can make all of them, guys. Vitamin C, vitamin D, you can make all of them at home by using natural ingredients. Squeeze that lemon, the orange inside of it. All right, just like this. That is fantastic. All right, beautiful one. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a piece of a mint, put it straight inside of it. All right, we got some lime juice. We're gonna squeeze some lime juice in it. That is beautiful. Look at that. Lovely. All right. That's the lime juice right there. Then what we're gonna do, just pour some hot water in it like this. And you wanna drink this the first thing in the morning on a empty stomach. That's another drink for you right there, guys, which you can also drink in the morning. All right. Now, this is the bad boy which I'm talking about. This is the one which you need to make at home in your kitchen when you wake up the first thing in the morning. You need to make this one, because this one is a must from Chef Ricardo this morning. All right. So as you can see it for yourself. All right. This is part 1 right here. All right. So basically, you can drink this one. This is very good to drink in the morning. And we got this one. So we can also drink it in the morning too. But this one is a very important one from Chef Ricardo. Alright, I'm gonna use some lemon, some lime. I got lime. And the lime is nice. No, it's no seed in it. So you wanna squeeze out some lime juice. Just like what I'm doing right here. Alright. Yeah, because sometimes you don't want to wake up and make a cup of coffee. And you say to yourself, so you know what, I saw Chef Ricardo making this, you know. Alright, now watch it. Squeeze out half more lemon, lime juice inside of it like this. Alright, if you notice what I'm doing right there, guys. Beautiful. And then what you want to do, I got some ginger powder. You get some ginger powder. I'm going to put a little pinch of ginger powder inside of it. Just like that. That's a pinch of ginger powder, not much. Alright. Then what we're going to do is get some pimento seed. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pimento seed. Alright, you might have wonder, what is pimento seed? Alright, pimento seed is like a little seed where you'd have to type it up on the internet. Do a research, what is pimento seed? Alright, and then it will tell you exactly what Chef Ricardo is talking about. Alright, cloves. We got a thing named cloves. You want to put at least. We now put a lot inside of it because it's very strong, alright? We're going to put about 2, 4, 6 inside of it like this. Alright? And then, what next we're going to get? 2 slices and put it straight inside of it. And what you want to do, you just want to put some hot water in it like this. I'm not going to drink all of this tea, guys. I'm just telling you exactly what you can make in the morning when you wake up. Alright? So, don't say, oh, why are you making so much drink? I ain't going to drink all of these. Don't think those negative ways. All I'm going to simply say to you, I'm just simply showing you exactly what you can make when you wake up in the morning. You don't have to make them. Alright, let's give this a lovely mix. Alright, so basically, this one, you got ginger. You got ginger in it, you got lime juice, and also you got pimento seed. So these little thing right here is the pimento seed, and I put some cloves inside of it, alright? These are the cloves inside of it. You want to give that a lovely mix. Alright, let's give this a try. If you want, you can put some organic honey inside of it if you like, but yeah, you can put a pinch of honey. That's a little pinch, not much honey inside of it. Give it a mix. Alright, let's taste this now and see where we are. Alright. That is lovely. I like that. Beautiful one, this one. Fantastic. Now, part 4. Get yourself some apple. Alright. A lot of people doesn't know that apple is very, very good for us. Alright. So what you want to do? Get some apple and put it straight inside of it like that. Alright. Once you cut up your apple, you're gonna put it straight inside of it, just like this. Get half of a lemon or lime juice and squeeze it in it like this. Alright, nice one. Then you can get a nice 2 slices and put it straight inside of it like that. Beautiful one. And also, if you got some blueberry or blackberry or whatever, you just squeeze the 2 of them and put it inside of it like this. Alright, if you don't have these ingredients, don't worry yourself. You can just get some lemon and apple and, you know, yeah, and drink it. And you're good to go. Secondly, we got some fresh mint. We're going to put some fresh mint in it like this. Beautiful. And then pour some hot water on it. And that is lovely. That's exactly what Chef Ricardo have been talking about. Right there, you can drink that in the morning. Not about to drink no coffee this morning. Alright, every morning you've been drinking coffee. Drink something different this morning with Chef Ricardo. Alright, as you can see, look at that. Beautiful one, fantastic and an amazing. You leave this in it for about 2 to 3 seconds and make it just dissolve inside of it for about 2 to 3 seconds. Alright, this one is just lovely and nice and also delicious. This one, yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about. So as you can see, all of these ingredients right here, guys, which I just show you. But this one is just another exclusive one for you guys to make at home. We got the lemon flight, which I just made right over here. This is the lemon flight right here. Look at this one. This is the lemon flight right here. So if you want to get these ingredients, it is on the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice.com website. The link is in the description box. All right. So click on the link and get your product. All right. All right. So it's just a quick detoxing drinking in the morning from Chef Ricardo. As I said, you do not have to do it. But I'm saying if you wake up this morning, you can say to yourself, you know what, Pen, I'm not going to make no coffee this morning. I'm going to make a detoxing drink, all right? So this is where Chef Ricardo come in and fill all of those gaps with you guys. Just to encourage you to say, make yourself a lovely detoxing drink in the morning and see the way or your body will react for the rest of the day, all right? So just give it a try, give it a go. You don't have to make it, but as I said, it's just beautiful for you to try something totally different at home in the kitchen. All right, and these drink, guys, is just natural ingredients. The most important thing is you do not have to book a plane ticket to go to Jamaica to get none of these ingredients. All right, they are just local. All right, so you can just go to your next door neighbor or someone and ask for something, same way. Get this one, Lemon Flight, is on the Caribbean Fusion site website. All right, and also we got this one also on the Caribbean Fusion website. Beautiful one. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show this morning. And as I say, we will be coming with a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas and tips for you guys, for you to make things at home. All right, so basically we're going to do this one right here. This is the master one right here, which I told you before. This one, you have to drink this one in the morning on an empty stomach. All right, if you want to detox, if you're a person who are interested in weight loss and detoxing, please do your research. Please Google things before you use it, because if you don't sure, don't use it. All right, this one is for detoxing your body in the morning, and also if you drink it on an empty stomach, you're good to go. All right, very nice. That is lovely. I love this one, guys. It is fantastic and amazing. All right, this is just so beautiful. This one right here. All right, this one also nice. All right, got a lot of orange in it. You know what I mean? Yeah, beautiful one for you to try at home. All right, it's just for you to try something, guys. You know what I mean? You can always try something new at home in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. All right. All right, now as you can see exactly what just happened, let's put this one side. All right, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to make your breakfast in the morning if you wake up and you feel like you want to have some breakfast. All right, I'm gonna